Hey everyone, imagine this. You're cruising down the road but suddenly your car jerks violently when shifting gears or worse, gets stuck in a single gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and it throws the code P0975. This error is related to the pressure control solenoid B circuit high voltage, meaning your transmission isn't getting the right pressure for smooth shifting. In this video, I'll explain what P0975 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0975? DTC P0975 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid B Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, sends electrical signals to the pressure control solenoid B to regulate fluid pressure inside the transmission. If the voltage in this circuit is higher than expected, the solenoid might fail, leading to harsh shifting, slipping, or transmission overheating. Common symptoms of P0975. If your car has this trouble code, you may notice harsh, delayed, or erratic shifting. Transmission slipping. RPM increases but speed doesn't. Vehicle stuck in limp mode. Only certain gears work. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light, decreased fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0975, check these key components. Pressure control solenoid B. Location, found inside the transmission valve body, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, regulates fluid pressure for proper shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically mounted near the battery, under the dashboard, or attached to the transmission case. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location. Runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. What causes P0975? Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty pressure control. Solenoid. B. A malfunctioning solenoid may cause high voltage. 2. Damaged or shorted wiring. Frayed wires can send incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sends improper voltage signals. 4. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Clogged fluid passages can affect solenoid function. 5. Weak or bad ground connections. Poor grounding may lead to electrical malfunctions. How to fix P0975. Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the solenoid circuit. Repair or replace damaged connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. B. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If resistance is too high, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Measure the voltage output from the TCM to the solenoid. If voltage is too high, a software update or replacement may be needed.